Hello and welcome to this new course. Today I'll teach you how to interface Arduino with LABVIEW. This is Educational Engineering Team. LABVIEW, or Laboratory Virtual Instrument Engineering Workbench, is a visual programming language developed by National Instruments. It's very useful for data acquisition, instrument control, and industrial automation. This course will help you connect your Arduino to LabVIEW throughout your USB board. You will learn how to send and receive data, and you will only need to use the Arduino USB port. There is no additional connection or circuitry. Having basics of C programming language would help in this course, but it's not something that is necessary. And we will do a lot of projects in this course that include sending and receiving data and creating a user interface using LabVIEW to control Arduino. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course and you will gain a lot of knowledge. In this course, Arduino will meet LabVIEW, and the results will be amazing. You will consider using LabVIEW for your future data acquisition projects, for reading sensor values, or for creating a small SCADA interface for your Arduino or any other type of microcontroller. What is applied here can be used on any other type of microcontroller like Raspberry Pi, PIC microcontroller, and others. We will concentrate on Arduino, but the same logic applies for all. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course content. See you inside. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.